How to visit the store of a seller on eBay. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to visit store of any seller on eBay. So first thing, go to eBay app. Now choose the product that the seller is selling. For example, I'm gonna choose this phone right here. And now all what you have to do to go to the seller store is by going down until you find the informations of the seller right here. Now all what you have to do is click on visit seller store. Click on it and it will take you directly to the store of the seller. It's very easy, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.